So good morning. It's day 3 here at the Stockdale wastewater treatment facility. We've just finished collecting samples from pond number 3. Sludge samples were collected, and those are going to be tested at the Eurofins lab in San Antonio. The results will be available to us in about 7 to 10 days. And then in about a week, 2 weeks time or so, the Nano Gas NG450 nanobubble unit will be stationed here on site, and we'll start actually treating these ponds with nanobubbles, infusing them with air nanobubbles. In addition to us mending these ponds with bacteria that have the ability to break down sludge. The nice thing about these nanobubbles is that they do not rise like your normal bubbles. They stay in the water column. So by staying in the water column, you're going to thereby increase the amount of dissolved oxygen that the bacteria have to actually degrade these organic sludge particles.